Let's understand measurement in this video. Have you ever wondered how we tell the size of things around us? Maybe you measured a pencil or weighed your school bag or poured milk into a bottle. Measurement is simply giving numbers to things we can see or feel. It helps us say how long, how heavy, or how much liquid something has. First, let us learn about length. The standard unit for length is the meter, written as m. Smaller lengths are often measured in centimeters, written as cm. A meter has 100 divisions. So, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Each centimeter is divided into 10 equal small parts, which help us read small lengths. To measure with a ruler, place one end at the 0 mark and read the other end. For example, if a pencil tip reaches the 10 centimeter mark, the pencil is 10 centimeter long. For very long distances, we use kilometers, written as km. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. To convert meters to centimeters, multiply by 100, and to convert back, divide by 100. For example, 8 meter becomes 800 centimeter and 5 meter 64 centimeter is 564 centimeter. To convert kilometers to meters, multiply by 1000, and to go back, divide by 1000. So 9 kilometers is 9000 meters. And 27 kilometer 532 meters is 27,532 meters. Remember this tip. Multiply to go to smaller units and divide to go to larger units. Now let us see how to add and subtract lengths. Write the units in columns like km, m, and cm and add each column separately. If centimeters add to more than 100, change 100 centimeters into 1 meter and carry it to meters. For example, 32 meter 76 centimeter plus 39 meter 27 centimeter gives 72 meter 3 centimeter because 76 plus 27 is 103 centimeter. 103 centimeter equals 1 meter 3 centimeter. So we carry 1 meter to the meter column. You can do the same with kilometers and meters. For subtraction, if you cannot take away the centimeters, borrow 1 meter, which is 100 centimeters. For example, 32 meters, 25 centimeters, minus 16 meters, 76 centimeters becomes 15 meters, 49 centimeters after borrowing. Here are two quick life problems. Prachi cycled 2 kilometer, 250 meters and 3 kilometer, 980 meters. So she cycled 6 kilometer, 230 meters in total. Moini had 5 meter, 20 centimeter of cloth and used 2 meter 50 centimeter, so 2 meter 70 centimeter remained. Next we learn about mass or weight. The common units are kilogram and gram, written as kg and g. A kilogram is for heavier things and a gram is for light things. 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. So 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. To convert kg to g, multiply by 1000 and to convert g to kg, divide by 1000. For example, 6 kg, 325 grams is 6325 grams and 7000 grams is 7 kg. We use a balance and standard weights to measure mass in shops. The heavier pan goes down and the lighter pan goes up until they balance. Add and subtract weights the same way as length using kg and g columns. For example, adding 23 kg 521 grams, 53 kg 293 grams and 18 kg 509 grams gives 95 kg 323 grams. Subtracting 12 kg 845 gram from 96 kg 519 gram gives 83 kg 674 gram after borrowing. A small estimate tip. A 200 rupee note is about 1 gram and 10 small snack packets weigh about 1 kg. Now let us talk about capacity, the amount a container can hold. The units are liter and milliliter, written as L and ml. 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. So 1L equals 1000 ml. And ml is 1000th of a liter. For example, 2L is 2000 ml and 6L 480 ml is 6480 ml. Add and subtract capacity like other measures using L and ml columns. For example, 248L 315 ml plus 458L 960 ml equals 707L 275 ml after carrying 1L from 1275 ml. If you cannot subtract milliliters, borrow 1L, which is 1000 ml, and then subtract. To estimate capacity, remember common container sizes like bottles and cans you see every day. There is also a handy table of units that shows km, m, cm, kg, g, l, and ml and how they change. So, what do we learn from this? We learn units for length, mass, and capacity, how to measure, convert, add, and subtract them. Let us quickly remember the main points. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram and 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Multiply to go to smaller units, divide to go to larger units, and use columns to add or subtract. Keep your ruler starting at 0 and borrow or carry when needed. Keep practicing with real things at home like pencils, cloth, and bottles. Thank you for listening. Keep exploring and asking questions with curiosity. Happy learning!